Next up, we have Principal Mercer.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me here. Wow, this is incredible. The amount of energy, the amount of brain power in this room is just incredible. And I just want to give one more hand to Pranav for setting this all up. And what an amazing thing. So we're so happy to support Agora Math Circle and continue to support it at Agora High School. And it's attributed to all of you, the students, the parents, and especially our volunteers. Let's give our volunteers one more round of applause. So I wanted to just talk for a few minutes about something for you for the future. So I have a question for you, kids and parents. How many of you know who Indiana Jones is? Do you know Indiana Jones? Raise your hand. Some of you might be a little bit too young for Indiana Jones, but when you get old, you can watch his movies, and I know you'll enjoy it. There's a lot of great things about Indy, as they call him, or Dr. Jones, as they call him. He's a scientist. He's a mathematician. He's a researcher. He uses math formulas quite a lot. He's a scholar. He loves history. He reads lots of books and knows lots of languages, all of which make him very cool, right? But what I like most about Dr. Jones is that no matter how many times he seems defeated, no matter how many times it seems he's going to lose a fight, no matter how many times he gets pushed off of a train or stuck under a truck or pushed off a plane or locked up in a cell or a dungeon, no matter how bad it seems it's gotten for Dr. Jones, he never ever gives up. We call this spirit resilience. There's a growing recognition of resilience. It's one of the most important qualities for a successful life, and one that you will need, students. You will need, especially if your passion is mathematics. No matter the challenge, no matter the rigor of the problem, it's your job to persevere, to be persistent and never back down from a challenge. This is a great thing to be able to do. It's something Dr. Jones does all the time, and it's something that I encourage you as math students to do. Now, we all know that to be successful in the 21st century, we'll have to be creative, think outside of the box, and come up with new, interesting ways of doing things and solving problems. Some people think that being creative or thinking this way is a skill that you're born with. I respectfully disagree with that. I believe that most people with success and who are successful in life are the most resilient. You have to be able and willing to keep trying things, even when they don't work for the first time, the second time, or even the 100th time. Just don't give up. Just keep learning and keep trying. You will find success, and that goes for mathematics and in life in general. One more person I want to mention, Winston Churchill, a man who was prime minister in Great Britain during World War II. He was also a lover of math. He was also a very resilient man. In fact, one of his many speeches he gave, Churchill told a group of scholars, much like yourself, he said, "Never, ever, ever give up. Never give up." And that was basically it. That was his speech. And it was one of the most powerful speeches that he gave, and the message was being resilient. He said that there are three things you need, three important qualities you need to be resilient. A sense of humor, always remember to always remember to laugh at your problems, no matter how bad they are. It's important that you demonstrate constant work ethic, hard work, keep plugging away day to day, never give up, and a dedication to your idealistic goals. In other words, do what you do for the right reasons. So finally, Agora Math Circle students, you too can be like Dr. Jones or Winston Churchill. You can be resilient. Keep laughing, keep working hard, and work for something you believe in, something that inspires you like math. When you do, you will be more resilient and you will be most successful. Thank you, everyone, and have a great day.